Movie update. Heart in Winter is the latest movie showing on Uche Eze TV. Uche Eze TV. The movie has the like of Chininebe and then Chris or Cowboy in this movie. Lovely people of this channel can you do what to watch this movie. And yeah guys, Chirinebe and her family are in South Africa enjoying, so we haven't really seen any latest movie. This is actually an old movie, but just in case you haven't seen it, do what to watch Chirinebe Chris Okagwe in the movie Heart in Winter showing on Uche Eze TV. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you all in the next movie updates and reviews.